welcome to the very last teaching tip of 2024. Now, I was thinking about earlier what to call this, and I've gone off with the title of Embracing the Seasons. Now, here in the UK, the season is very much the winter season. In fact, we're about to have the shortest day of the year. And up here in North Yorkshire, these are pretty short, I warn you. So our sunrise was at 8:26 this morning, and the sun will set at 15:45. But also, it's a pretty rainy, windy day up here. So actually, it didn't get daylight till really about 9:30. So we really have to grab that daylight. I do love getting out for a walk, actually, putting my big coat on, my hat on, and getting my boots on, and off we go. And I shall be going straight after this, I can guarantee that. As well as going out for walks, I also like to hunker down a little bit. I love my hot chocolates in front of the fire, or in front of a radiator if the fire isn't lit at the time. I love a good book, so look at last week's festive reads if you like. I love sitting and playing the piano. Whatever I feel like grabbing off my shelf, something that I either know or tackling something new, but nothing too heavy in terms of the practice. And that's because I think this is a period for me of rest and restoration. And I'd like to urge you and pass on to you the need for that within ourselves at this time. So we need to give our body time to recover from all the energy that you've been putting into all your students and into life generally. And we need to be able to restore our energy levels, our sense of who we are. Because if we have no real sense of ourselves, then it's difficult to give out all the time. And you'll find that come spring term, halfway through, you'll be running on empty again. So please, just find a little bit of time, and I know that's difficult if you've got young families or if you're travelling all over the country. Nevertheless, it is important for you to find a little bit of space for yourself where you can just do your thing. It might just be an afternoon, but take yourself out for a coffee or just go and do your favourite thing. Please, on me, treat yourself. So, I'm going to finish this by adding my last Christmas decoration. This is the sheep who's going to go on, and it was actually going to be a present for one of my students, but he's never made it there. He's going to go on the tree instead, as I'm surrounded by sheep up here. There we go. And I'd like to finish by saying a huge thank you to you all out there who watch and who like and who subscribe to our email and who generally follow the Curious Piano Teachers. And that's a thank you on behalf of myself and Sharon and the rest of the Curious team. We're looking ahead very much into 2025 because we have an exciting year ahead, and we're going to be celebrating the 10th anniversary, the 10th birthday even, of the Curious Piano Teachers. Can you imagine? We've been around for 10 years, come May time. And we are planning to have a Curious Live. We're all going to get together, and it will be, I know, a high energy affair that will fire us all up, I think, and help us to move piano teaching forward a little bit further. So thank you once again for watching. Make sure you get that rest and restoration, embrace the season, and take care. With all my love, thank you. Bye-bye.